First rates Tuesday morning, and the first rates coming up on your screen. It's a perfect start for the market breadth. The advance decline ratio is highly favorable in favor of advancing shares. Nifty, Bank Nifty, the small cap index and the mid cap index, all of them are off to a good start. The small cap index especially showing signs of massive outperformance. If you compare that with Nifty, Nifty is up 0.2, the small cap index is up nearly 1%. Is Bank Nifty again being the leader here? Looks like the Bank Nifty is again showing signs of outperformance. So we are in for a good start, and this good start is irrespective of what has happened to the global markets last night.
Yes, good start for the overall market, but some of the outliers which are in the red right now. Happiest Minds has started with a cut of almost 8%. That large block deal is something which is weighing on that one. Bandhan Bank, on account of that additional director and the action coming in from RBI, is also a bit nervous, so 4% cut there. Root Mobile, after that 15% uptick yesterday, is cooling off today, so a cut of around 2% on that one. On the gaining side, however, it is Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, which is up almost 5%, KIMS as we call it. So that stock is in focus. You also have CGCL, which is up 4%. Kalpataru Power, which bagged orders of around 2,300 odd crores, is also sitting with a gain of around 3%. Zomato, which has managed to outpace Swiggy with respect to the growth that we had seen in the year gone by, has opened with a bit of a gap up above the mark of 200 as far as Zomato is concerned. Borosil is also in focus on account of that QIP which has been launched, and you also have names like Ujjivan, etc., All Cargo in focus on account of all of this which is happening in the markets. But overall, it's a steady start to our markets. Nothing too untoward. In fact, the advanced decline ratio is something which is very, very positive. From the frontline index itself, HDFC Bank has started with a bit of a powering ahead kind of move. Remember, Bernstein had come out with a note talking about how the bank could return to big profitability in 4 years' time. Reliance has also opened in the green, SBI, ICICI Bank. These are the names in the green, while HUL, M&M, Infosys, these are the names in the red. But time now to take the first trades from our technical experts. Kunal, what's the mood of the market like, your reading and the first trades?
It still seems like a good or a decent start for the indices. We are holding on to that 23,500 mark broadly, so I think that could be positive, considered to be positive for the indices in terms of the near-term trend. The opening trade which I would look to suggest would be HDFC Bank, and I think that's an interesting chart because over the last 1 week there has been a very strong bout of relative strength which has come back into this name as compared to many of its other peers.
Okay, point taken. So HDFC Bank a buy and opened in the green. Naresh, your first trades?
So that would be a buy on Grasim, closer to a new 52-week high. Looks promising for a steady move towards 2,700 in the short term.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.